Thinking out of the box. Thinking out of the box. It is the training session on creative thinking, listening, speaking, and writing. It is the training session on creative thinking, listening, writing, and speaking. Creative writing, it means you know very well. You are writing the stories, plays, poems creatively. Creative speaking, it means you are speaking creatively. You are making some applied method, through that you are making people speak. You know when you need to overcome those things which are making you hesitant. I would give you an example, then you would understand soon. There was a one business owner who took a large amount of loan from a loan shark. Loan shark, it means a money lender who used to give the money to the people at the higher interest, because these people are very greedy. Loan shark people are very greedy. They give the money and they take too much interest from those people who are capable enough to take the good loan. So the business owner took the loan from the loan shark, but his business owner business sank. He was unable to pay. The loan shark was already greedy, so he wanted to marry the business owner's daughter. Though already he had been hellbent after his daughter. Loan shark was ugly and unattractive. So he made the one bet. He made a one deal. He told a business owner he could wipe out his all loan if he could marry the business owner's daughter. Business owner was needless, so he was unable to say no. He said, if my daughter says yes, then. Daughter said, how could I believe that as you get married with me, and you would completely wipe out the debt. Why don't you make a different deal? You make a deal which it is your deal. Make that deal which should really help us also, not you get benefit, but also we should. So business that owner also said, okay fine, whatever my daughter is saying, I want that deal. So loan shark instantly said fine. He gave another deal. He told, I would keep two pebbles in a one bag. She is to pick one. Suppose if she picks, I will keep two pebbles, one white, one black. If she picks black one, so I would wipe out your debt, and she has to marry with me. She has to marry me. Another situation, suppose if she picks white one, in this situation also I would wipe out the debt, and she would not marry me. She would not need to marry me. This deal was done. This deal was met. So it was to be done opposite whole village, because it was a deal. So they needed so many proofs. So they called all villagers. A loan shark was very mean and cunning. So what he did, while picking up two pebbles, because he was standing on the path of pebbles stone path. He was standing on a pebble stone path. So he picked two pebbles. While picking two pebbles, a girl noticed a loan shark picked two black pebbles, no any white pebble, and he put into the bag. Nobody noticed except that girl, and he asked her to reach that bag and pick one of these pebbles. Whatever she would pick according to the bet, they would have to deal. Now girl had three choices. What she could have done except this? She had three options, no choices, but she was to make these options into opportunities. So what she did, she just went to that bag. She saw in bag two black pebbles were there. So what she did, she picked one pebble, nobody could see, and mistakenly she left the pebble into the that pebble stone, and she said, "How clumsy of me! Look, I don't know what pebble I picked up, but you look into the another pebble which is kept in bag, and you would find what I picked up. Obviously, two black pebbles were there. So what was left? Black one, and the situation went. Everybody thought it was the white one which she picked up. So Honor's completed debt was wiped out, and greedy loan shark kept looking at the situation. He was unable to say that what he did, because he was unable to expose himself. If he had said yes, the whole village could have just beaten him. So he said nothing, and whole depth of that business owner was wiped out. So the moral of this story tells us we need to think out of the box. We have lots of options, but we need to convert these options into choices, and we have to choose one of them, and we have to make this choice into opportunities. So when you think out of the box, so your all opportunities really are with you, but you need to look in. You need to understand how you can make the most out of them. Like the girl did it, so we can do it. In every situation, we need to think creatively. We need to speak creatively. We need to think. We need to write. We need to listen. So, especially in Jeet Pinnacle Institute, we train you where we make you people speak creatively. We make you listen to us creatively. We make you write creatively, because it's an applied method. You need to think creatively. Thinking creative, you may understand how you can solve the problems. You will get the new ideas to solve the problems, because when you feel hesitant, when you hesitate to speak with people, so your mindset should help you. And if you think creatively, so 100% new ideas would keep coming to you. Then you can optimize your communication also. How to communicate with the people, you should have knowledge, and how we can get you the knowledge through applied method. So this is the moral of this story. If you people like this story, please do share. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been training the people in Jeet Pinnacle Institute for 18 years without fail. If you like this story, do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start batches every month. I have been starting the batches. If you are interested to speak English, if you feel tongue tied while speaking with people in English, so do join my course. There I would train you how to speak English, how to face the interview session. There I would tell you, if you feel hesitant, so how to optimize our communications, because it's a skill, it's a talent, it's an ability which can convert into your opportunity. You need to understand it. Thank you guys for listening to me. My contact number is 9373537363. Message me. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys for listening to me.